If you're even thinking about trying iFable AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, because this just released AI software could either be a game changer or a waste of time depending on how you use it. You can actually try iFable completely free using the first link in the description, so no risk, and I'll tell you in a moment how to get the most out of your trial. But here's why this might be one of the smartest tools for marketers, creators, and entrepreneurs in 2025, and why I'm still using it daily. So what is iFable AI really? iFable is an AI storytelling and content generation platform, but it's not just another GPT skin. What sets it apart is how it blends creative storytelling with automated branding and scripting tools. Whether you're writing ad copy, email sequences, video scripts, or product descriptions, it's structured to actually mimic high-converting narrative frameworks. That's something most AI tools don't even attempt. Here's what impressed me first. It gives you pre-built storytelling modes based on your industry, coaches, SaaS founders, e-com brands, you name it. That instantly cuts out 70% of the fluff you usually deal with in typical AI tools. The output is punchy, emotionally engaging, and written to sell, not just sound smart. It also uses what they call scene logic, which means it breaks down your content into logical parts, hook, problem, transformation, CTA, and guides the AI to follow that path. If you've ever tried to force ChatGPT into writing good sales content, you'll know why this matters. The difference is night and day. Now, the interface. Super clean, no clutter, just a few drop-downs and prompts. And boom, you're generating branded stories in seconds. It even suggests tonal shifts and rewrite options if you want it more casual, professional, or aggressive. This is huge if you're running split tests or tweaking for different audiences. Another key point, iFable isn't just a solo tool. It also has team features. You can share storyboards, campaign drafts, or even invite clients to view and comment. That's something I wish Jasper or Copy.ai had done better years ago. And for those of you in digital marketing like me, the built-in framework for VSLs, email nurturing, and even cold outreach is incredibly valuable. I ran a test comparing iFable's email copy to my usual flow, and its version got 23% higher open rates. That's not a small edge. Now, here's something you won't see on their homepage. iFable AI shines when you pair it with video content. It can generate scripts with pacing, tone guidance, and even emotional shifts built in, which means less time editing and more time producing. If you do YouTube or run ads, this is a big win. Before we wrap, remember this isn't a magic button. It works if you use it right. But it's easily one of the best just released AI software tools this year, and it's already in my top 5. So again, you can try iFable AI for free right now from the first link in the description, and I highly recommend you at least test the storytelling framework with your brand or product. And if you're looking for other powerful AI tools, I've tested thousands and dropped my top free recommendations in the description too. Try them out. You'll thank yourself later.